Stop scrolling. This is not entertainment. This is a prophetic interception. Your soul called for help, and now the universe is responding. Like, share, comment 77 to activate this revelation. Then, read carefully. They promised to help you, but instead, they took something from you, not with force, but in a spiritual exchange you never fully agreed to. There was a moment, maybe you don't even remember it clearly, when you were in desperate need. You cried out for money, for love, for protection, and someone offered to help you. But nothing in the spiritual realm is free. You gave away something that should have stayed with you. Not your money, not your time, but your divine access, your gate of destiny, your energy of attraction. Ever since then, things have not been the same. You feel blocked, like invisible chains are around you. Money comes and disappears. People admire you but never stay. Love knocks, then runs away. And worst of all, you can feel in your spirit that something is missing. But tonight, the universe has remembered you, because the one who made that spiritual exchange did not fulfill their own part of the contract. And when someone breaks a spiritual contract, a reversal is permitted. But first you must say, I reject every unauthorized exchange made in my name. I recover what is mine. Now hear this. In the next 7 days, something will happen that will try to test you. A call, a message, a temptation, a return of someone from your past. Do not say yes too fast. Do not go back to what broke you. This is the universe testing your alignment, because what is truly yours is already being returned. But only if you stay clean from the old agreement. Now listen closely. You're about to be handed back your attraction magnet, the one that draws favor, money, and attention. Your voice of influence, the one that makes people listen and respect you. Your spiritual immunity, so no witchcraft, envy, or evil eye will touch you again. But you must do this. The spiritual ritual of reversal. Do this tonight. Get a white candle for cleansing, a glass of water to carry the return energy, a mirror to reflect what was stolen, sugar or honey to sweeten your destiny again. Light the candle, place the mirror beside it, hold the glass of water and speak these words out loud. What was taken from me by force or deception, I now reclaim by divine permission. Let sweetness enter my destiny. Let my mirror reflect only what belongs to me. Let no shadow claim my name again. I am sealed. I am restored. I am realigned. Blow the candle out. Drink a sip of the water. Sleep in silence. You will dream. That dream is your spiritual key. The person you see in it, pay attention. The message that comes, write it down. This is not just a post. This is the return of your original power. You will see a sudden shift in energy, a new person reaching out to help, genuinely. A strange favor from someone you never expected, an opportunity you lost, coming back. But don't scroll past this, because the next time the door opens, it will not wait long. Repeat in the comments, I recover what is mine. No force can stop it. Then like, share, comment 77, and tag someone you love. This is not just about you. Someone else is trapped in a spiritual exchange, and your post may be their escape.